A vegan diet is one of the best choices that you can make for health, but there are a lot of misconceptions. Sometimes people wonder, will they get enough protein? Others wonder if soy is really healthy. Let's clear them up. Carbohydrate-rich foods like sweet potatoes, fruits, and beans are actually the key to good health. They provide glucose, which is the main fuel for your brain and your muscles, and they're not fattening. Carbohydrates have only 4 calories in every gram, while fats have more than twice that amount, 9 calories per gram. What's really fattening isn't the potato, it's the butter and the sour cream and the bacon bits that go on top. Major studies have found that milk doesn't prevent osteoporosis or bone fractures. Of course, you do need calcium, but cows don't make calcium. Calcium is an element in the earth. It passes into the roots of grass and other plants that the cow will eat, and some of that calcium ends up in the milk. You absorb, though, just 32% of it. Instead, eat the green vegetables directly, hopefully not grass, but you'll get the calcium you need without the cholesterol and saturated fat found in milk. This is the myth that just will not die. There's actually plenty of protein in beans, nuts, seeds, grains, even vegetables. Americans, including vegans, get twice the protein their bodies actually need. Vegan diets have tremendous benefits for athletes. They can reduce inflammation, they can speed up recovery times and boost endurance, and they increase oxygenation of the muscles and the brain. Plants are packed with complex carbohydrates that give athletes long-lasting power, and that's why we're seeing more and more top athletes going vegan to gain a competitive edge. You could try it too. Hey, vegan diets are not going to break the bank. In fact, one study found that people eating plant-based diets save $750 a year compared to omnivores. That's because vegan staples like rice and beans, oats, and potatoes are just pennies per serving. And if you want to save even more, try buying produce in season. Look for frozen fruits and veggies, and buy beans and grains in bulk. Decades ago, scientists found natural compounds called isoflavones in soybeans and many other foods. And because their chemical structure vaguely resembles testosterone or estrogen, some wondered whether they might cause breast cancer. Well, researchers have tracked the diets of thousands of women, and they've observed exactly the opposite. Women consuming the most soy are less likely to develop breast cancer. In fact, women who consume the most soy milk and tofu may be 30 to 40% less likely to develop breast cancer. I hope we've dispelled some myths. You'll find all of this and lots more in the Vegan Starter Kit. I hope you'll share it with everybody you know. Thanks a lot.